So today we're going to be camping at Ontario County Park.
In beautiful western New York.
Yep.
And eating chips.
And blueberries.
Yum! And a blueberry rolled off and then I smushed it.
Yep, it's pretty windy here. We camped here 4 years ago and we had a good time.
Yep.
And the raccoons took Alice's poopy diaper.
Yeah, these didn't like it. This is my first time here. I don't remember it, but I was here as a baby. Oopsie, that was me.
Are we going hiking? Is that what we're doing?
But I'm gonna play.
Well, we need to go check in.
Oh yeah, we didn't do that.
Yep. We just took the spot.
We just busted up in here. We didn't pay. No, actually we did pay. We just didn't check in.
Spot. We just need to tell them that we're here at our spot.
Yeah. Sydney's gonna be our cameraman.
Okay.
Yay!
He's gonna get right in her face.
Are you filming
Oh yeah,
right
that
now?
was me again. When do I?
I need to find a bathroom.
Right there, the woods.
I thought you said
That's not what I meant.
you're in your element. This is Esther's point of view of it. And that's Daddy, so he can finally actually be in our videos.
Yay!
Grasshoppers actually have 4 wings. And I've been seeing a lot of grasshoppers around here, and when they fly off of the ground, they look like butterflies.
See, I caught it.
Want to see it fly onto the
Wait, I want to show
Are
Mommy.
you filming?
Mommy.
You have to come over here to watch it. Aw.
Bye. Well, I'm going to go to where you guys are. That was me.
No exchanges, substitutes, or refunds. I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the bite zone with the Daddy Longleg. These are roasting sticks. This is pretty much as far as it goes.
Yeah.
My Daddy's like a bushy, squirrely tail. And it's a sword.
Yep, sure is.
It looks like a sword. Cool. Daddy, this looks like you could make a dollhouse. I want to get the axe.
Hey, look.
Like a fairy house?
Yeah, we made a fairy house on our last camping trip.
I'm making a nature snake. I'm
Let's
going
go
to
back
poke.
to camp.
I'm going to take all of these.
Or roasting.
We never go in our campfire. It's the place. Now we are.
I'm a ninja. Yeah. With your samurai sword? Let's go back. I'll protect us with our sword.
Hello, Mookster.
We've got everything.
So for dinner tonight we're going to have pizza mountain pies, which are basically a grilled cheese but pizza style. So we're putting marinara sauce, cheese, and pepperonis on it. Cheese. One in my mouth. I put a little cheese on top to hold the other piece of bread.
Yeah, so it sticks together.
Yep, just like that. Butter the pan, stick it on. Pizza mountain pies.
So it's like a grilled cheese sandwich and a pizza combined. And it's really good.
They're yummy! A s'more. Once there's a dog street, and it led to a dog house. And inside that dog house, there was a dog living room. And inside, and at that dog living room, there was a dog hallway. And in that down that dog hallway, there was a dog closet. And in that dog closet, there's a dog shelf. And in that dog shelf, a dog box. And in that dog box, there's a ghost.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night,
Good night, family.
Good night.
We love you.
I'm going to read a bedtime
This is what I
story.
feel like.
Time for bed.
This is what. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Well, we survived the night. It was really, really windy last night. Maybe, if I had to guess, it felt like 30-mile-an-hour winds. But we're gonna get some breakfast going now. What did you guys think of the wind last night?
Awful.
I loved it. I could be scared of it, and the wind would rustle, and it was just fun. And at the
It was
morning.
awful.
Yeah, it was pretty awful.
I kept waking up because of the wind. Same old, same old.
Well, I think the wind was fun because it was scary, and I could go in my bed or my sleeping bag. And I loved to see all the trees rustle. That's the same thing for in the morning.